Today I'm catching up with Nat from Gusto Global Industries. Now Nat, here's your product bolted onto the side of this camper, but what does it do?
Macca, dust reduction systems have been out since 21, right? And they're all on the roof. So we thought we'd come up with something new and innovative and have it come through the sidewall of the van, allowing you to put more solar panels on your roof. Now, the dust reduction systems keep all that fine dust out of your van to help you feel like you can enjoy your trip without having to do all your cleaning when you pull up every time you're on the road. That's exactly what we've done here. And this is our brand new model into the industry. We've got the big one, but this one is called the Pro. So the Gusto Dust Reduction System Pro is 16-foot vans and down, and it's a cracker Macca.
Now let's break it down into its simplest form for the people at home. How does it work?
Very, very simple. It's 12-volt operated, so it's a simple hit the switch. Takes 8 seconds to build up pressure. So by the time you've turned it on and done your little U, out, shut the door, your van's pressurized. Well, here we are, we're on the inside of a 16-foot Kor Camper, and with the Dust Reduction System Pro, which is primed for 16-foot and down, we've got the internal part of the Gusto Dust Reduction System Pro, that is. So we have our internal vent, which air will form from inside this cupboard, air will flow out, pressurising your caravan within 8 seconds. We have another added feature with the Gusto Dust Reduction System, and this is our little clean filter light down here. Cracking little idea. We have a little pressure switch built into the back of the unit, so if that fan starts to work a little bit hard because of the filter being dirty, we have this light, the pressure switch will pop, light will come on, let you know when you need to clean your filter.
You've got a fan that goes through a filter that pressurises the van, blows all the wind, the air out through any little gaps that the dust could have got in.
Exactly.
Forcing it out.
Exactly, Macca. So you can get that real happy feeling. You turn up and it's like, how good's this? Clean van at last.
Mate, where can someone get some information on it or get their hands on one?
Mate, they can head straight to our website at gustoglobalindustries.com, or they can just give me a call.
Or you can just completely ignore Nat and keep sleeping in a dusty bed. But I'd be giving Nat a call if I was you.
For sure.